Hello everyone, this is your Bandini Sarma. Welcome back to my channel BMB Tutorial. So in last session, as I have told you that we will start a new chapter, lines and angles. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss the same chapter, that is starting of geometry. Okay, so as the name of this chapter is lines and angles, so this name of chapter is covering half of its meaning, right? So in this chapter we will learn different types of lines and the angles formed by those lines and the properties of lines and the theorems, axioms based on these lines and angles we will discuss here. Okay, so first we will recall some basic terms related to this chapter. Okay, so as we have studying from 6th class basic terms about geometry, the same we will recall here. Okay, so first line. What is the line? लाइन क्या होती है? So as we know that line is a one dimensional figure that has length but no width. लाइन क्या होती है आपकी? Line is a one dimensional figure that has length but no width. You can see here it's a line because it has length but no wideness. Okay, and you can extend this in both direction infinitely. This is your line. Why? It has some length, okay, and your length can be infinite. Okay, so it has some length but no width, and we can extend this in both direction infinitely. कितना भी हम एक लाइन को एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं दोनों डायरेक्शन में. ओके, सो दिस इज योर लाइन. हाउ वी डिनोट लाइन? लाइन कैन बी डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल लेटर. ओके, सपोज हियर this A and here this B. So we will denote it as AB having this. So this is the notation, or we can denote a line like this. Okay, and we can also represent it by small letters. Sometimes we will have like this. Okay, sometimes we will have this line by small letters like L, M, small letters. ओके, तो दोनों ही तरीके से हम लाइन को डिनोट कर सकते हैं. कैपिटल लेटर, ठीक है, बट हेयर वी विल यूज टू कैपिटल लेटर्स ए बी. सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज ए एंड दिस पॉइंट इज बी, सो वी विल डिनोट दिस लाइन बाय ए बी. ओके, हैविंग a line, a small line symbol with two arrow in both direction. Okay, or sometimes we can represent this line by small letters L, M, N. Okay, so this is your line. Now next part is in line segment. What is line segment? As this have name segment. Segment means parts. Okay, so line segment is nothing but a part of a line. Okay, that has two end points. Okay, that has two end points. Okay, like this is what? This is a part of line. Okay, this is a part of line which has two ends points. क्या है? ये लाइन का एक पार्ट ही है, बट यहाँ पर क्या है? दो एंड पॉइंट्स हैं. ठीक है, और इसको हम किस सिंबल से डिनोट करेंगे? अगर इसका नेम ये क्या है, लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी है आपका, तो हम इसको ए बी हैविंग दिस लाइन सेगमेंट सिंबल. ओके, सो दिस इज how we represent a line segment. Line segment basically, as the name of this, it's a part of line that has two end points. Okay, now next ray, that is also a part of line. Ray, it's a part of line, but it has one end point. It has one end point, and in another direction you can extend it infinitely. आप इसको एक डायरेक्शन में, एक तो एंड पॉइंट होता है और दूसरे डायरेक्शन में आप इसको कितना भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं इनफाइनाइटली. ओके, अगर सपोज इसका एंड पॉइंट इस साइड है तो आप दूसरे ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इसको कितना भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड वी रिप्रेजेंट रे वाई, सपोज दिस ए बी. ओके, एंड दिस इज पी क्यू. So the symbol for these ray will be AB, having a small symbol of ray above. Okay, like this PQ. So this small symbol is representing a ray PQ that has one end point, and you can extend it in opposite direction infinitely. Okay, so these are some terms about line. Okay, now next, there are two different types of lines: intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines, means parallel lines. Okay, now different types of lines. What we have, we also have studied in earlier classes intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, as the name is indicating here, if we have two lines and they meet each other at one point. Okay, like suppose we have a line AB, okay, and PQ. Now see here, these two lines are cutting or meeting each other at one point, and suppose this point is O. Okay, so you can see here these two lines are meeting each other or intersecting each other at a point. Okay, so that is why these two lines will be called as intersecting lines. Okay, and we can have an example more. Suppose if we have these two lines, suppose this is L and this is M. Now see, are these intersecting? Yes, these are intersecting. Why? At right now they are not seeming intersecting. Okay, ये क्या है, अभी तो हमें नहीं लग रहा है कि, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ कहीं पर भी ये मीट करते हुए नज़र नहीं आ रही, बट अगर हम इनको थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो एट सम पॉइंट श्योरली दे विल इंटरसेक्ट. ओके, आगे जाकर ये कहीं ना कहीं जरूर इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी, बिकॉज यू कैन सी हियर द distance between these two lines is decreasing. Okay, so surely at some point they will be intersecting. Okay, so this is also an example of intersecting lines. Okay, why? Because we are calling here lines. Okay, so we can extend lines like this. Now see, they are intersecting this point, so these lines also will be called as intersecting lines. Okay, now next is non-intersecting lines. Non-intersecting lines, this is opposite of intersecting lines. Okay, so if we have two lines such that they do not intersect each other at any point, they will be called as non-intersecting lines or parallel lines. Okay, suppose we have two lines here like this. Okay, we are having here two lines L and M, and they are not going to intersect each other at any point if you extend these two lines in any direction. Okay, so such type of lines are called non-intersecting lines. Non का मतलब जो intersect ना करें, तो ये lines ऐसी हैं कि इनको आप आगे एक्सटेंड भी करेंगे तो भी ये किसी पॉइंट पर जाकर इंटरसेक्ट होने वाली, एक दूसरे को मीट करने वाली नहीं है। ठीक है, तो ऐसी लाइंस को हम बोलते हैं नॉन इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस और पैरेलल लाइंस। पैरेलल लाइंस। Okay, now see here the distance between these two lines, if we draw perpendicular in these two lines, the distance between these two lines is same. These distance between these two lines is same. Okay, ये जो डिस्टेंस रहेगी वो क्या होगी, जैसा कि यहाँ पर था, यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में क्या है, डिक्रीज हो रही है, इसलिए ये जाकर क्या हो रही है, कहीं ना कहीं इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है जाके। ठीक है, बट इस केस में यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस आपकी क्या है, कांस्टेंट ही है। ठीक है, ये क्या है, कांस्टेंट ही है, इसलिए इन लाइंस को हम क्या बोलेंगे, पैरेलल लाइंस और नॉन इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस, बिकॉज दे डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर at any point. Okay, now we will talk about angle. What is an angle? Angle क्या होता है? When two rays originate from a same end point, when two rays originate or start from same end point, then it form an angle. How? Suppose if we have a ray here and its name is OP, okay, and we take another ray whose one end point, as we know a ray has only one end point. Okay, so if we take another ray like this whose end point is same, you can see here these two are rays because it has one end point and in another direction they can be extended. Okay, तो हम जब दो रे को इस तरीके से लें कि उनका जो एंड पॉइंट हो वो क्या हो, सेम ही हो, कॉमन ही हो। अब देखिए इन दोनों रे के बीच में ये जो उनका एंड पॉइंट क्या है, सेम ही है, जहाँ से वो ऑरिजिनेट हो रही हैं। ठीक है, तो ये क्या बनाती हैं, ये क्या फॉर्म करती हैं, एंगल। दिस इज एंगल। ओके, दिस इज angle. Angle is basically what? It's a inclination between two rays. झुकाव। तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं ये एंगल जो फॉर्म कर रही है वो क्या कौन फॉर्म कर रहा है, दो रे फॉर्म कर रही हैं जो कि क्या है, सेम एंड पॉइंट से ऑरिजिनेट हो रही है। ठीक है, इनका सोर्स क्या है, सेम है, दो रे हैं इस तरीके से। ठीक है, ये दोनों के अगर हम इन दोनों को ही एक पॉइंट पर ले आए इस तरीके से, अब देखिए इन दोनों रे क्या है, सेम पॉइंट से ऑरिजिनेट हो रही हैं। ठीक है, सेम पॉइंट से ऑरिजिनेट हो रही हैं, तो ये क्या बना रही हैं, एंगल। दिस इज एन एंगल। ओके, सो एंगल इज फॉर्म्ड व्हेन टू रेज ऑरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द सेम एंड पॉइंट. Okay, and how we denote it? By the symbol this. Okay, this is the symbol for angle, and here the angle is x. We can write this as, or we can write by its name, angle POQ, and angle is where, at the point O, so that will come in center. This angle is POQ. Sometimes we write in short angle O. So these all are same. Okay, if it has some value, suppose it has value x, so angle x, we can write it as angle x, or we can write it as angle POQ, at which this angle is that we will take in center. So angle POQ, or you can write angle QOP, that is same. QOP, किसी भी ऑर्डर में आप एंगल्स को, बस क्या होना चाहिए, जहाँ पर ये एंगल आपका बन रहा है, फॉर्म हो रहा है, वो आपका पॉइंट कहाँ आएगा, सेंटर में आएगा. ओके, और वी कैन राइट इट एज एंगल O. ठीक है, तो किसी भी तरीके से आप एंगल्स को लिख सकते हैं. ओके, वी हैव ऑल्सो स्टडीड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स. okay, based on their measurement. Okay, so let's recall that types of angles. The first is acute angle. Acute angle. Any angle which has measurement greater than 0 but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Okay, if any angle x that is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree is called acute angle. Like 30 degree angle, suppose it's 30 degree, so it's an acute angle. Why? Because it has measurement of this angle is what? Greater than 0 but less than 90. Okay, if suppose we have an angle 89 degree, this is also an acute angle. It's greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Okay, so the angle which has measurement greater than 0 but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Okay, now next is right angle. The angle which is equals to 90 degree. An angle which is 90 degree is called right angle. Okay, now third is obtuse angle. Any angle that is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Like 95, here this angle is Z. So as you can see here, this is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, so it's an obtuse angle. For example, 95, 110, 170. Okay, so these all angles are what? Obtuse angle, because their value is greater than 90 but less than 180. Okay, now next is straight angle. Straight angle that is equals to 180. Okay, that is equals to 180. See here, this is what? A straight line. Okay, this is a straight line and it is forming angle 180. That is why we call it straight angle. Okay, so angle that is, suppose it's P, and so the angle POQ here is equals to 180 degree. So straight angle is equals to 180 degree. Now next is reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Okay, suppose if we have an angle like this. Now see, not this part. If we will consider this part, then it will be an acute angle. So reflex angle is what here? This angle. Now see, this angle is starting from this here and going till here. Okay, so this angle is less than 360 degree. Okay, but greater than 180 degree. ओके तो कोई भी एंगल जो 360 से तो लेस देन हो बट 180 से ग्रेटर हो वो किस में कंसीडर किया जाएगा, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल होगा। सपोज 270 डिग्री और 185 और 200, these all are what, reflex angle, because their measurement is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. Okay, so these all are reflex angles. Okay, now next is complete angle. The angle which is equals to 360 degree. Okay, an angle of 360 degree measurement is called complete angle. Means suppose this angle is starting from here and ends to the same ray. So this is what, 360 degree. देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर दोनों ही रे क्या है, कोइंसाइड कर रही हैं। जिन दो रे से एंगल आपका बन रहा है वो दोनों रे एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ रही हैं, एक दूसरे को कोइंसाइड कर रही हैं। ठीक है, मतलब जहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही हैं उसी पर आकर एंड हो रही हैं। ठीक है, तो ये इस तरीके से क्या पूरा एक कंप्लीट रोटेशन ये एंगल ले रहा है, इसलिए इसको इस एंगल को क्या बोल रहे हैं, कंप्लीट एंगल। एंड कंप्लीट एंगल is always equals to 360 degree. Okay, so these all are the types of angles which we have studied in earlier classes. Okay, so that's all for today's session in which we have discussed the types of lines and types of angles. If you have any query, doubt related to today's session, you can ask on comment section, and in my next upcoming session we are going to discuss angles in pairs like vertically opposite angles, linear pairs, adjacent angles and theorems, axiom based on it. Till then, keep watching my channel. Thank you. So that's all for today's session in which we have discussed types of lines like intersecting and non-intersecting lines, right, and types of angles. If you have any query, doubt related to today's session, can ask on comment section. Okay, and in my next upcoming session we will discuss further some basic terms, means angles in pairs like adjacent angles, linear pairs, corresponding angles and vertically opposite angles like this. Okay, नहीं बना नहीं।